In this video, I'm going to show you the interacting and seeding function of pages on Facebook. So now let's get to the point. Success or not? Okay. So what about the seeding function? Firstly, we choose the account. Okay. As usual, we choose the account that contains a lot of pages. Let's go to the general configuration as I mentioned. About the content configuration, if you use available content, you should choose the content. As I have mentioned before, about the seeding function, we cannot use a post. We just have to use the command type, okay? And I prepare a lot of commands over here, and we save. If you want to use AI, you don't need to choose the content, okay? Allow the duplicate content between accounts, okay? And I will comment in random order. Or our seeding configuration. You want to seed profile or post or video, live stream or reels. For example, I will use multiple pages to seeding a profile. This profile will be personal profile or page profile, okay? And we enter the profile here. For example, I have only one, but if you have more, just write down right here, okay, and save. Check out seed 3 posts or how many posts if you want. I will go for 3, okay? Profile ID, each profile seeding and post, okay? If you want to follow the profile or not, click on that. And react with emotion. You can choose some emotion to release and random comment about and post, okay? And save script. After that, you choose multiple pages to start, and wait a few seconds, the process log will show you the result, as well as the result field will be the last one you want to see, success or failed. And that is about our video today. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automation tutorial every week. See you in the next video.